The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most highly anticipated drone releases of 2025, with enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the latest iteration of DJI's ultralight drone lineup. Expected to launch in the summer of 2025, this drone is rumored to introduce significant upgrades while maintaining its sub-250-gram weight class. Leaks and reports from sources like Digital Camera World and Drone XL suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could set a new benchmark for lightweight drones, boasting cutting-edge technology, enhanced imaging capabilities, and advanced AI-powered features. DJI has continually pushed the boundaries of drone technology, and with the Mini 5 Pro, the company appears to be taking another significant leap forward. One of the standout improvements is the camera sensor. DJI is reportedly upgrading the Mini 5 Pro to a 1-inch sensor, a considerable leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. This enhancement is expected to drastically improve image quality, allowing for better low-light performance, increased dynamic range, and sharper details in both photos and videos. The larger sensor will appeal particularly to content creators and drone photographers who demand professional-grade imaging from a compact and easily portable drone. A 1-inch sensor in a sub-250-gram drone is a remarkable feat of engineering, making high-quality aerial photography more accessible than ever before. With such an upgrade, users can expect reduced noise in low-light conditions, more detail in shadows and highlights, and a higher level of clarity overall. In addition to the improved sensor, the Mini 5 Pro's gimbal design is another exciting advancement. DJI is rumored to introduce an innovative gimbal system that not only stabilizes the camera effectively, but also enables vertical shooting modes, catering specifically to social media users who prefer platforms like Instagram and TikTok. This feature alone could make the Mini 5 Pro a game-changer for influencers and content creators looking to capture high-quality footage tailored for mobile-first audiences. The ability to shoot vertically without cropping or digitally manipulating footage will ensure the highest possible resolution and quality for those focusing on social media content creation. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro's ability to tilt the camera straight upward is an industry first for the Mini series. This capability will allow for unique shooting angles and perspectives that were previously impossible with DJI's ultralight drones. By offering greater flexibility in camera movement, DJI is further expanding the creative possibilities for drone pilots, making aerial cinematography even more dynamic and immersive. The Mini 5 Pro is also rumored to have an impressive range of 25 kilometers, 15.5 miles, extending its operational distance significantly over its predecessor. This enhanced range will allow pilots to explore further without losing connection, making it ideal for landscape photographers, adventure enthusiasts, and professionals who require extensive coverage for their projects. The extended range means users will have the confidence to fly their drone over vast landscapes, capturing stunning imagery from greater distances. Whether documenting a coastal sunrise, filming a mountain expedition, or simply exploring new areas with ease, the added range provides immense flexibility. Paired with an exceptional flight time of up to 50 minutes, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the longest-lasting drones in its category. A longer battery life means fewer interruptions during flights and more opportunities to capture stunning footage in a single session. With extended battery life, users can maximize their creative potential without worrying about frequent battery swaps or limited flight durations. Safety and obstacle avoidance have also received a major upgrade in the Mini 5 Pro. The drone is expected to feature an advanced LiDAR system, along with dual front-facing wide-angle sensors and 2 inward-positioned black sensors. These improvements suggest that DJI is prioritizing safer and more precise navigation, reducing the chances of accidental crashes. With these cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technologies, the Mini 5 Pro will likely be able to fly more confidently in complex environments, such as dense forests or urban landscapes, making it an appealing choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. LiDAR technology, commonly used in self-driving cars and high-end drones, provides enhanced depth perception, allowing the drone to detect and avoid obstacles more accurately. This makes the Mini 5 Pro an incredibly reliable drone for those flying in challenging environments. One of the most intriguing leaks suggests that the Mini 5 Pro could introduce onboard audio recording, a rare feature in consumer drones. This addition could greatly enhance vlogging and aerial storytelling, allowing users to capture ambient sounds, commentary, or even integrate voiceover directly into their footage. While drones have historically focused on visual capture, the ability to record sound opens up new possibilities for filmmakers and content creators. Additionally, precision landing sensors and an LED ground illumination system are expected to improve landing accuracy and nighttime visibility, making the drone more user-friendly across various lighting conditions. These features would provide a significant advantage for nighttime flights or low-light environments, ensuring safe and precise takeoffs and landings. The inclusion of an LED ground illumination system also enhances the aesthetic appeal of the drone, giving it a futuristic look and added functionality. AI-powered tracking is another area where the Mini 5 Pro is expected to excel. DJI has been focusing heavily on AI-driven autonomy, and leaks indicate that this drone will feature advanced tracking capabilities that enhance both ease of use and creative flexibility. Whether it's automatically following a subject with precision, executing complex flight paths for cinematic shots, or recognizing and avoiding obstacles more intelligently, the AI enhancements will likely make this drone more intuitive and powerful than its predecessors. The use of AI allows for smarter automation, reducing the need for manual control and making professional-level shots accessible even to beginners. With AI-powered features, users can expect smoother, more natural movement in their footage, allowing for a more cinematic and immersive viewing experience. Despite all these exciting rumors and leaks, some uncertainty remains. Less-known sources on X, formerly Twitter, have hinted at a possible delay, with Notebook Check suggesting a late 2025 release instead of the anticipated summer launch. While this information has yet to be confirmed, it raises questions about whether DJI will be able to meet its expected timeline. Furthermore, as with any leaked information, some of these details may change by the time of the official release. DJI has not yet made an official announcement, so while the Mini 5 Pro appears to be a groundbreaking drone in the making, some skepticism remains regarding the final specifications and availability. As drone technology evolves rapidly, delays are not uncommon, particularly when introducing major technological advancements. What remains certain, however, is that the DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to push the boundaries of what ultralight drones can achieve. By combining a larger sensor, an innovative gimbal system, longer range, extended flight time, and AI-powered enhancements, DJI is ensuring that its newest mini-series drone stands out in a crowded market. For drone enthusiasts, photographers, and content creators, the Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver an unparalleled blend of performance, portability, and cutting-edge technology.